6109.
I don't know what's up.
What are you playing at then? What? What are you at? And then you went when someone threw it. You idiot, honestly.
Oh shit. Someone been pulled.
Dodgy looking learner car.
Someone's been a bad lad or lass.
What the hell is he doing coming up here?
Sunday. See it all in store and at fishpools.co.uk. That's a website, Ernest?
Ever dreamt of running your own business? It may be
calls. David, you'll be the next caller. Gillian in Darlington, we should never have been in it in the first place, and it morphed during our membership. Thank goodness it is over.
What a
Same
dick.
subject. This comes from Carolyn, and brought up in the shadow of World War II. I value the peace which is...
Hello. Didn't fancy waiting in the queue so you could zip up the side and push in? Well, I'm definitely not letting you in, so...
Right turn.
Turn left on London
Didn't even
Road.
look, did you?
Find your passion and do what you love and you'll be happy and successful. So for me that was really a gift. But are there any clues?
I think you're in the wrong lane there, mate. Oh dear, what's happened there?
Tyler looks like it's facing the wrong way.
Yeah. Oh, your exhaust is a bust, mate. That stinks.
Oh dear.
Isn't it? Go on then.
Oh, you stupid. You fuck.
It's truth. That is what happens.
Secure their university.
Pretty sure I've seen you before on my morning route.
Visit justinCraig.ac.uk.
Very, very nice.
Justin Craig, just in time.
Oh, nice SL.
It's
Mustang.
It's like he wants everyone to know what his name is when he goes out. Oh my goodness me.
Tasty.
Yeah, old Astra.
Green. Sat on a phone at the light on green. Hey, it's our Leroy. Naughty Leroy using a bus lane. I caught you, Leroy.
Faulty indicators. We're going for 2 for 2. More faulty indicators. I see 2 perfectly empty pavements.